P T209 Computer System. Which of the following is an explanation concerning the reliability index that is calculated by the expression below? So the expression is MTBF divided by sum of MTBF and MTTR. A. Average amount of time between system failures. B. Average amount of time necessary to recover from a system failure. C. Proportion of the downtime of a system to the total time. D. Proportion of the time available for system operations to the total time. Availability concept. MTBF, or mean time between failures, is the mean operation time from the recovery of the system from a failure until the occurrence of the next failure. In short, this is the average amount of time between system failures. Whereas MTTR, or mean time to repair, is the mean time from the occurrence of a failure in the system until its recovery. In short, this is the average amount of time necessary to recover from a system failure. So, availability is one of the 5 indicators that evaluate the reliability of an information processing system. It is the probability of the normal operation of the system and indicates the ratio of normal operation of the system per unit time and can be calculated using MTBF and MTTR as shown in the provided equation. So the equation is availability equals MTBF divided by the sum of MTBF and MTTR. So this means that the correct answer for the question is D. Now let's look at an example of how availability can be calculated like shown below using MTBF and MTTR. So this diagram shows a system's operation and failures between the start of operation and the end of operation. So first of all, if we look at MTBF, so MTBF is mean time between failures, and it is calculated as total time, so total operation time, so let's write total op time, and divided by the number of failures between the start of operation and the end of operation. So if we look at the diagram, the system had 60 minutes, 130 minutes, and then 80 minutes of operation time. So first of all, we add them up, and then we divide by the number of failures. So there are 2 failures, so we're dividing it by 2. So 270 divided by 2 is 135 hours, and that is the MTBF. Okay, so let's move on to MTTR. So mean time to repair. Mean time to repair. Mean time to repair is total hours of downtime. So in other words, total time of failure. So total failure time divided by the number of failures. Okay, so we're looking at the failures right now. So total time of failures is 8 plus 14. So 8 plus 14, and we're dividing that by the number of failures, which is 2 times. So it is 22 divided by 2, which is 11 hours for MTTR. Now here comes the availability formula. So if you could remember, availability is calculated as MTBF divided by the sum of MTBF and MTTR. So MTBF is 135 and MTTR is 11. So we have 135 divided by 135 plus 11. That is 135 divided by 146, which is 0.9246. If we round up to the second decimal place, it is approximately 0.92. So 0.92 is the availability of this system.